Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can create this chain on top of your work when you crochet around a long tail cast on. When you start the pattern in the first round, like I did, it usually looks like this. You see part of the cast on and that distorts the pattern. This is why often the pattern starts with a one color round. But sometimes you just want to start patterns in the first round. Let me show you how you can create this beautiful chain when you crochet around the long tail cast on. For this video I will use a thicker yarn so you can see all the loops you have to crochet through. On this side you see the loop that the hook was in, and on this side you see the two working yarns. Between the loop and the working yarns, you see the chain that will end up on top of your work. On this side of the cast on, you will insert the hook in these loops. And on this side of the cast on, you will insert in these loops. I have added the other colors and I have already crocheted a few stitches. You can see the chain forming a bit. For the next stitch, these are the two loops that need to end up on top of the crocheting. Turn it and then you see another loop. Insert the hook and make the stitch. The next stitch, the two loops you need to see, turn it and insert the hook and make the stitch. I will crochet some more and then I will show you where to insert the hook on the other side of the cast on. On this side of the cast on it is easier to see through which loops you have to crochet because the chain is really starting to be visible. The next stitch, here you see the two loops of the chain, so insert the hook in the loop behind it. The two loops of the chain and insert the hook in the loop behind it. Now you can really see the chain on top of the crocheting. Thank you for watching.